This is the iPod mini first and second generation LCD replacement. So what you want to do is go ahead and get your tool aside, as well as a magnet, a refrigerator magnet if you have one, so you can make sure to keep all your screws and pieces in place so you don't lose anything. Then what you want to do is go ahead and open up your iPod. First you got to take off the top and bottom plastic pieces. After you take the top and bottom plastic pieces off, you got to take the top two screws out of the iPod. After you've removed the top two screws, you want to take this bottom bracket out, the little plate. After you remove the bottom bracket, what you want to do is unclip this ribbon cable right here. On this one, it just so happened to come up with the bottom plate, but you want to unclip this. It is the click wheel jack. After you do that, you can go ahead and push the motherboard out from the top by pushing on the bottom of it, on the dock connector. And it should just slide right out. Then you can grip it on the sides, pull it out from the top. Then you can place your case aside. Now you want to take the battery off, place that aside, and then on the LCD there are four little clips that hold it onto the motherboard. There's one right here, one right here, one right here, and one right here. Now you got to undo the top ones. Be very careful with those and just unclip them from the motherboard. After they're unclipped from the motherboard, the LCD should just fall forward. Like so. Then you can unclip this clip right here, this black one, and that releases the ribbon cable to the LCD. Then you can install the new one. And the rest is just reverse the process you took it apart.